Alright, we're back with another short video before we head out to the doctor. We have a water bottle. It doesn't have a brand name, but it looks like maybe you can put it on your bike or something because it does have a good place where you can hold it. It does have the handle where you can carry it like this, put on your belt loop, and the pop-up to drink it with the straw. This looks like it may be a really pretty dress. It's got some hearts on it. Pepper sleeves.
It's a medium. Little revealing in the middle of the cleavage area there.
It is called a women's hollow out bow dress for its bodycon dress for like a party. It's called sexy slim mini dress or formal. That's what the description on the return label says.
It's a nice looking dress.
Looks like it may be a sweatshirt or a probably men's. Yep. Let's make sure it didn't have a hole on it.
It's a 4XL. So it's pretty good size. It's not a thick sweatshirt, it's fairly thin. I don't see a brand on it anywhere.
We got a women's purple blazer, long sleeve. Looks like it's probably a polyester blend.
Doesn't look purple in the camera, but it's pretty purple.
Or mauve.
I think it's purple, but what do I know?
This has something to do with Monopoly. Oh, ladies, Yellowstone Monopoly.
It's a little small for that. Let's see how it's looking inside here. It's a thick cardstock type board. It's got some dice, some figures. It's got some cards, like Malcolm Beck's house. Here's the little figures.
This is a stuff to put on like a maybe a tent for your windows.
Yep. It's got the little instruction guide here.
Not for sure what's in this.
A little clanky, ain't
Hopefully it's not broke.
We did have a broke piece out of this earlier. It was a little like plastic horse that was broke.
Yeah, it's broke.
Yeah. Well, it would have been a good clothes rack, but as you can tell, it's broke.
Maybe a rug. Oh, cute little snowflake area rug. That would go really cute with the placemats and coasters that we have because they're snowflake as well. We might put them together and sell them all as a set. I like selling stuff as sets, especially when you're shipping. Got a pair of jeans.
Got the distressed on it. It's a medium. Looks like it's 95% rayon and 5% polyester. No brand name that I can find.
We have 3 of the Future Renew Damage Reversible Night Cream number 7 for sensitive skin.
Coming closer.
I have 3 of those available. Official Jelly Puck. For it's a little puck.
Okay. So basically a plush hockey puck. And it has a keychain thing, so, or you can, I guess, hang it from your mirror or whatever. Another jacket?
No, it's something you hang up because these are little hooks right there.
Hello there.
Maybe
Comes with hooks.
I'm not sure. Because right here's where you put the hooks.
Oh, maybe like a quilted curtain.
Could be, but it's just like a single. It's just for one window.
So like if you got a single kitchen window that's kind of either tall or you can put this up taller. And it's also got Velcro right here.
Looks like maybe another jacket. This one is long. It is furry. It's purple. It's a size large.
It's lightweight too. Again, you can't really see the purple. Does have a hoodie. And no name brand as well. Is that it?
That's it.
All right, folks, that is it for now.
You guys have a good day.